Understanding your parrot's body language and behavior is crucial for building a strong bond. Today, we're going to talk about 8 signs that your bird might not be fond of you. So, let's dive in and learn how to read the signs. Biting. If your bird is consistently biting you, it could be a sign that they're uncomfortable or unhappy with the situation. Make sure to give them space and work on building trust through positive reinforcement. Avoiding contact. When your bird actively avoids your hand or moves away from you, it's a clear sign they're not comfortable. Be patient and work on building trust through gentle interactions and treats. Puffed up feathers. If your parrot puffs up their feathers when you approach, it could be a sign of fear or aggression. Give them some space and try to understand the cause of their discomfort. Hissing or growling. These sounds are clear indicators that your bird is unhappy or scared. Pay attention to their body language and try to identify any potential stressors in their environment. Pinning eyes. If your bird's pupils rapidly constrict and dilate, they might be feeling threatened or agitated. Be mindful of your actions and try to create a more comfortable environment for your parrot. Lunging. Lunging is a defensive behavior that indicates your bird is feeling threatened. Make sure to approach your parrot slowly and calmly to avoid triggering this response. Excessive screaming. While parrots are naturally vocal, excessive screaming can be a sign of distress or boredom. Make sure your bird has plenty of mental stimulation and social interaction to keep them happy and engaged. Always flying away. If the cage is big enough for your pet to fly around it, it might also fly away. Or if it is out of its cage and sees you approaching, your pet parrot might fly away to put a significant distance from you. And there you have it. 10 signs your bird might not be fond of you. Remember, building trust with your parrot takes time and patience. Keep working on your bond, and soon you'll have a happy, healthy relationship with your feathered friend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Parrot's Awesomeness for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.